First set of questions, 30 seconds each. A man drives for 2 hours from Accra to Cape Coast. The car emits an average of 0.11 gram of carbon dioxide per minute. Determine the volume at 27 degrees Celsius and 102 kilopascal of carbon dioxide gas emitted. Yes. Okay. Frederick.
6.72 dm3.
That's incorrect. All right. The right answer is 220 decimeter cubed. Next one. In a test for a new LPG gas odorant containing methane thiol, also called methyl mercaptan, and compound X, methane thiol is found to diffuse 1.25 times faster than X. Calculate the molar mass of X, and the formula for methane thiol is CH3SH. Yes, upon
50 grams per mole.
That's incorrect. Yes, David.
75.0 grams per mole.
All right. Next one. A diabetic concerned about his sugar intake buys a bottle of fruit juice punch from a batch prepared by mixing 180 centimeter cubed of orange juice containing 15% sugar, 450 centimeter cubed of apple juice containing 8.0% sugar, and 350 centimeter cubed of pineapple juice containing 22% sugar. What is the percentage concentration of sugar in the fruit mix? The right answer is 14%. 14%. All right. Next set, 10 seconds each. Please explain why it is a misconception or misapplication for the term recommended daily amounts, RDA, of food and energy to be taken as an ideal which everyone should try to achieve for a healthy life. All right, so listen to the answer. Yes, it's a misconception or a misapplication because the RDA value quoted for a particular group is the average requirement for that group that would cover the needs of almost everyone. That's approximately 98% in that group. However, physical activity, age, body weight, and sex may affect how much nutrient a person may need. So taking the RDA values of particular foods may result in an average person overeaten and an undernourished person severely undereaten, right? I hope that makes sense. Okay. All right, next one. What are mucous membranes in humans, and why are they often located in regions that interface between the body and the outside world? Yes, Isaac.
So mucous membranes are tissue membranes which are noted for their production of a slimy fluid known as mucus, and they are present in areas where the interface between the body is the body and then the environment are interfaced because the mucus is able to trap microorganisms and dust particles which may enter the body and cause invasion and other diseases. And so the mucous membrane is able to produce the mucus, which is able to trap these substances and prevent them from entering the body, and hence provides immunity, it provides protection to the person.
Okay. Why is it that astronauts can easily lose muscle mass in space? Yes, Alexander.
Astronauts can easily lose muscle mass in space, and the reason being, in space, there is no gravity acting on these muscles. That is, the astronaut doesn't have to exert force or tension with his muscles to counteract the effect of gravity that's pulling him down for him to be standing and walking. And then muscles gain weight as they are being used more and more. So since he's not using these muscles, the muscles will therefore lose their effect and then will lose their weight. That's lose their weight.
Okay, I'll accept it. Find the coordinates of the stationary point of the curve y equals the expression x plus 1, this expression squared, over x squared. Yes, upon.
Negative 1, 0.
Yes. Express 29. Okay. Yes, upon.
15 squared minus 14 squared.
Yes. A chord of a circle is 30 centimeters long. The distance from the center of the circle to the chord is 8 centimeters. Yes, David?
17 centimeters.
Yes. What is the magnitude of the linear momentum of an electron moving at 2.40 times 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second? Alexander?
1.37 times 10 raised to an exponent of negative 21 kilogram meter per second.
That's incorrect. Yes, Isaac?
4.56 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 22 kilogram meter per second.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 1.09 times 10 raised to the power negative 21 kilogram meter per second. 10 seconds. Which of the following particles are baryons, leptons, and mesons? An electron, a lambda particle, a muon, a pion, a proton, and an omega. Yes, Alexander.
The leptons are electron and the muon. The baryons are the lambda and the omega, and the meson. A proton is part of the baryon, And the meson is a pion.
Yes. Last question of the round, 10 seconds. Please pay close attention. Please, they need concentration. (2024) PT5 has magnitude 22. State the property of 2024 PT5 that is measured by its magnitude and rank in increasing order of that property. 2024 PT5, a magnitude 11 object, and Pluto. So the property that is in question is brightness. Brightness. Brightness is measured in magnitude number. Okay? So brightness. So 2024 PT5, Pluto, and the magnitude 11 object. That's the order that I expected in terms of the arrangement. Why is this so? Because the brightness of an object, the brighter the object, the lower its magnitude, right? The brighter the object, the lower its magnitude. By the way, this is something very interesting that is going on right now. 2024 PT5 is a small near-Earth asteroid. It's an asteroid, right? It was first observed on August 7th, 2024, so very recent. Okay, it's about 10 meters wide, and it's a distant companion of the Earth, so it's moving along with us. So it will continue moving along with us for some months, but it's far enough and the brightness is low enough that we don't see it, right? So, by the way, Pluto is magnitude 14, hence the order that I gave you, right? So, please, we have a guest moving along with the Earth. It's an asteroid, and its name is 2024 PT5. Isn't that nice? Beautiful stuff. On that note, we've come to the end of the second round.